how to add a link to your LinkedIn profile. So once you're in your LinkedIn homepage, you just want to go up here and let's go to view profile. After that, just click this pencil icon right here. Scroll down and just add a website to this website section right here. I already have a website here to my Behance portfolio. And let's make the link text to click here to see my portfolio. Let's save that. And once you've done that, you'll see here on my LinkedIn profile, there's a link to click here to see my portfolio. You'll see if I click this, it'll lead to my Behance portfolio. You can change this around. Of course, this will be the link that will redirect anyone who clicks it to the website you're going to. And the link text is just what appears on as the blue text right here. There is another way to add a link to your profile, but I'm pretty sure it's a premium only feature. So right now, for all of everyone who uses only free LinkedIn, this is your best current option. So once again, you just go to this pencil icon right here. You scroll down, you add whatever link you want. And then from the link text, just click whatever you want as well. For example, if maybe it's a YouTube video, you can change this into my introduction video or something similar like that. You'll see it'll be refreshed just like that. Anyways, that is how you add a link to your LinkedIn profile. It's as easy as that.